Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michawn and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, vlogs, and other fun things. And I do most of my DIYs using products from the Dollar Tree or dollar priced items. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell next to it so you don't miss an upload. And if you continue to enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up as it definitely helps out my channel. If you're not new, hey doll, hey! In today's video, I have some room decor items. It's just two small projects that I did. I guess you can call this a farmhouse, a modern farmhouse. All right, dolls, let's go ahead and get started. For the first DIY, I am using these blocks. They're foam dry erase blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I already had these on hand, so yes, I am practicing staying at home and crafting my stash. So the next few videos will be of me crafting all of the stuff that I kind of hoarded over the last few months and haven't used just yet. Having a new baby kind of threw me off my game. Anyways, so I am attempting to take off the dry erase part, the cardboard. It just was not coming off as smoothly as I thought. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint these black the way that they are. I put in some skewer sticks at the bottom so I could spray paint them easier. This is what they look like when they came out. The holes were on the bottom of them, so I just decided to stack them with the holes facing each other. What I'm going to do to keep these together is not glue them, but just go ahead and place those sticks in the middle of them and just kind of cut them down to size to where they're kind of flush against each other. This is what they look like. What I'm doing with the block that I did take off the cardboard like paper, I'm just going to go ahead and use that as like my O and do like a small little wreath. Anyways, for the letters, I'm using this scrap piece of paper that I had. I don't know what I got this from, but I don't use it for anything. So I decided it would be kind of cool to use it to outline my letters. I attempted to try to draw and freehand them out, but it just was not working for me that day. So I decided to go ahead and use the stickers, these letter stickers, adhesive stickers or whatever they're called from Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of these on hand and just went ahead and outlined it by just cutting it out, and I had my letters made from that, and it was actually fairly easy to accomplish. I just peeled that off. And then I have my H for home. And then all I'm going to do is take these Boxwood Sprigs that I've had for a long time, just left them over. I attempted to try to make like a circular wreath out of it, but just didn't work. So I went ahead and just did two and glued them to the top corner. Then I glued down the HME. I should have did like a lowercase e because I think it kind of looks a little funky, but this is what I had. So I just kind of committed and stuck with it. Just hot glued them down to the front. Then I have these like sticker like things, these stick phrases. I don't know what they're called. I actually got them from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale, like on clearance. They were just like 50 cents, maybe cheaper. I think they actually came out to like 6 cents when I checked out. I just kind of put those all around just to fill up the voids that I had along these blocks. And now I'm going to use my apple barrel paint in black and snow white, mix those up to get a nice gray color and just kind of dab it on there. So I'm dry brushing it on there just to give it some texture, and I think it's really cute the way it came out. Next up, for the second DIY and last one for this video, I'm using this glass vase that I got from Dollar Tree and then reusing this candle stand that I got from Target's Dollar Spot, along with more Boxwood Sprigs and the same snow white and black color from apple barrel paint from Walmart. I didn't have any painter's tape, so I just used regular Scotch tape to go ahead and tape off the bottom of this glass vase that I want to paint that gray color. So it took me about maybe 5 pieces of tape to make sure that I got a nice circle around it. It's oddly shaped, so the tape wouldn't lay down flat all the way around. So anyways, I went ahead and painted the rim of this glass vase, which will be the bottom once I'm done with it. I did 2 coats of this paint all the way around. Next, I went ahead and cut down the Boxwood Sprigs that I had, taking off the little thicker pieces when they come on the stems. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just hot glue them down to the base now of that candle holder. So I flipped it upside down, so that way it is gluing on to like the inside of the bottom of this holder, if you get my drift. There, you see it. What I did is glued it down, and then I glued it to the side to make sure that it was packed in there, so that when I put the vase over it, it will enclose it all. Once my paint was dry on my vase, I went ahead and removed the tape, but it still had raggedy edges. It was not straight. So I just took my X-Acto knife and I went ahead and kind of scraped it gently. I didn't scrape it hard to make sure that I didn't get any marks on my glass. So yeah, just scraped it gently to get straighter lines. I was thinking of everything I could do with this, and I saw this and I was like, oh, this will be easy. So yeah, so with this, you can put anything you want on it. I first put a little tea light candle on, but it just did not work well for me. You could put a larger candle in there to make sure it fit, to get a better look on it. Then I had to kind of just squeeze the Boxwood Sprigs in there and just kind of push them in there. In the end, I decided to go with this cute little white bird that I got from Target's Dollar Spot about a year ago. I absolutely love how this came out. They both came out super cute. Right now, they're just sitting on my home office desk, and I absolutely love it. I think they're so cute, but they would go with any kind of like decor that you're looking for. Alright dolls, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, as it definitely helps out my channel. Alright dolls, that's all I have for you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!